Looking for a way to keep your projects on track, avoid delays, and make sure every team member knows their tasks? Do you think that Gantt charts are the perfect tool for you? In today's video, we are going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Gantt charts for project monitoring and control. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create one, track progress, and optimize your workflow for better results. Stay tuned for some actionable tips to boost your project management skills. Hey everyone, welcome back to NxtChair, where we help you master project management with practical tools and insights. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our tips and guides. We drop new videos regularly, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. In today's video, we'll dive deep into Gantt charts, one of the most essential tools for managing projects efficiently. We're not just going to tell you what they are, we'll guide you step by step through creating and using Gantt charts to monitor your project's progress and ensure control over timelines, tasks, and resources. Introduction. Whether you are managing a simple project with a few tasks or a complex one with numerous moving parts, Gantt charts offer a visual timeline of every task, helping you track progress and make adjustments in real time. They allow you to see how tasks are interconnected, who's responsible for what, and identify any bottlenecks or delays before they become major issues. Gantt charts are especially helpful if you're looking for ways to improve time management and keep everyone on the same page. But how do you actually use them? Let's get into the details with this step-by-step guide. Step-by-step guide on how to use Gantt charts for monitoring and control. Step 1. Identify project tasks. The first step to building a Gantt chart is identifying all the tasks that need to be completed within the project. Think of this as your project's to-do list. You'll want to break down your overall project goal into smaller, manageable activities. For example, if you're planning a marketing campaign, tasks might include content creation, graphic design, social media management, and ad placement. For each major task, create subtasks. For instance, content creation might have subtasks such as drafting blog posts, proofreading, and scheduling publication. It's essential to have a well-organized task list to create an accurate Gantt chart. Involve your team in brainstorming sessions to ensure every step is covered, as this collaboration can often reveal tasks you hadn't initially considered. Step 2. Establish dependencies. Now that you have your task list, you'll need to figure out how these tasks relate to one another. Some tasks can run concurrently, while others must be done sequentially. These task relationships, or dependencies, determine the project's flow. Dependencies typically fall into four types. 1. Finish to start, FS. One task must be finished before the next can begin, e.g., a foundation must be laid before walls can be built. 2. Start to start, SS. Two tasks can start simultaneously, e.g., you can start editing content while other content is being created. 3. Finish to finish, FF. One task must finish at the same time as another, e.g., final testing finishes as documentation is completed. 4. Start to finish, SF. A rare type, where task A must start before task B can finish. By mapping these dependencies, you create a realistic timeline that ensures smoother transitions between tasks and helps you avoid bottlenecks or delays in the project. Step 3. Define start and end dates. With your tasks and dependencies clearly mapped out, the next step is assigning start and end dates. This is where the true value of a Gantt chart comes into play. Each task will be visually represented by a horizontal bar that shows its duration over time. When setting these dates, remember to factor in 1. Realistic time estimates. Don't underestimate how long a task will take. 2. Team availability. Consider public holidays, team vacations, and other events that may impact the timeline. 3. Buffer time. Always include a little buffer time for unexpected delays, especially for critical tasks with dependencies. This step ensures that your Gantt chart reflects a realistic and achievable timeline for the project. Step 4. Assign resources. For each task, Assign a team member or department responsible for completing it. Clearly assigning resources ensures that everyone knows who is responsible for what and when their contribution is expected. Some tips to ensure effective resource management. 1. Balance workloads. Make sure that no single team member is overwhelmed with too many overlapping tasks. 2. Use skill-based assignment. Ensure tasks are assigned to those with the necessary skills and experience. 3. Monitor availability. If you have team members working on multiple projects simultaneously, adjust their workloads in the Gantt chart accordingly. A Gantt chart will also give you a clear view of your resource allocation, helping you redistribute tasks if anyone becomes overloaded or if new resources become available. Step 5. Plot your Gantt chart. Now it's time to visualize everything by plotting your Gantt chart. You can use tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or specialized project management software such as Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, Monday.com, or Trello. Steps to create your chart. 1. List tasks vertically. Arrange tasks in the order they'll be completed or by categories. 2. Plot the timeline horizontally. Add a timeline across the top of the chart with days, weeks, or months, depending on the project's scope. 3. Create bars for each task. For each task, draw a bar that starts at its scheduled start date and ends at its deadline. 4. Indicate dependencies. Use arrows or lines to show the relationships between tasks. 5. Assign colors or labels. Use color coding to differentiate between tasks or departments to make the chart more visually organized. Once plotted, your Gantt chart gives you an instant overview of your entire project timeline, showing which tasks are running on schedule, which are delayed, and any potential conflicts. Step 6. Monitor progress regularly. The key to using a Gantt chart effectively is continuous monitoring. After the initial planning phase, keep the chart updated regularly to reflect changes in task progress, resource availability, or timeline shifts. Monitoring progress in real time helps ensure that minor delays don't spiral into major setbacks. Tips for monitoring progress. 1. Regular status updates. Have team members report task progress at regular intervals, e.g., weekly. 2. Track completion percentage. Many tools allow you to input the percentage of task completion to visualize progress more effectively. 3. Flag critical path tasks. Identify tasks that, if delayed, will delay the entire project. Pay extra attention to these. Step 7. Adjust as needed. Flexibility is crucial in project management. As your project progresses, tasks may take longer than anticipated, or priorities may shift. Regularly revisit your Gantt chart and make adjustments as needed. Some examples of adjustments. 1. Reschedule tasks. If a delay occurs, shift dependent tasks accordingly. 2. Reassign resources. If a team member is unavailable or a task requires more hands-on work, redistribute resources to keep the project moving forward. 3. Extend deadlines. In extreme cases, adjusting the overall timeline may be necessary to reflect realistic completion dates. Keeping your Gantt chart up to date with real-time data ensures you can respond to issues quickly and keep the project on track. Step 8. Conduct post-project review. Once your project is complete, use your Gantt chart to conduct a post-project review. Analyze the timeline, task completion rates, resource allocation, and any delays or issues that occurred during the project. Ask questions like: 1. Were all tasks completed on time? 2. Did any critical path tasks cause delays? 3. Was resource allocation efficient? 4. What improvements could be made for future projects? By reviewing the chart, you can identify areas for improvement in future projects and refine your project management approach for better results. Additional tips for effective Gantt chart use. 1. Color code tasks by team, priority, or phase to make the chart more readable at a glance. 2. Use milestones to mark important project phases or deadlines, e.g., project kickoff, mid-project review, final delivery. 3. Set up alerts and notifications within your software to keep everyone informed of approaching deadlines or task delays. 4. Limit the number of concurrent tasks. Too many overlapping tasks can make the chart hard to read and manage, so try to group them logically. 5. Encourage team collaboration. Use your Gantt chart as a central hub for team updates, project changes, and real-time progress tracking. Benefits of using Gantt charts. So, why are Gantt charts so important? Here are some of the key benefits. Clear project overview. With a Gantt chart, you get a clear overview of your project's timeline, including task dependencies, start and end dates, and who's responsible for what. This visual clarity helps prevent confusion and miscommunication within your team. Better time management. Gantt charts help you schedule and track time more efficiently, ensuring that your project stays on schedule. You can see at a glance which tasks are falling behind and adjust resources accordingly. Improve team coordination. By assigning specific tasks to team members and visualizing everyone's responsibilities, you ensure better coordination within your team. Everyone knows exactly what's expected and by when. Progress monitoring. As your project progresses, you can use the Gantt chart to track completed tasks and measure your overall project status. This allows for real-time monitoring and control, helping you avoid delays and adjust your plan when necessary. If you are enjoying these insights so far, be sure to hit the like button and share this video with your team. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more project management tips. Quiz time. Now, let's see how much you've learned so far with a quick quiz. Question 1. Which step comes directly after identifying project tasks when creating a Gantt chart? Options are A. Defining start and end dates. B. Assigning resources. C. Establishing dependencies. D. Adding milestones. Let's pause for a moment. Share your answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is C. Establishing dependencies. Explanation. Dependencies help to create a realistic and smooth project timeline by organizing the sequence of tasks. Without establishing dependencies, there's a risk of project delays due to tasks being scheduled out of order or too early. Question 2. What is one major benefit of using Gantt charts in project management? Options are A. It allows for random scheduling. B. It provides a visual timeline for your project. C. It eliminates the need for communication. D. It speeds up task completion automatically. Let's pause for a moment. Share your answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is B. It provides a visual timeline for your project. Explanation. The primary benefit of a Gantt chart is its ability to offer a clear visual overview of a project's progress. It shows what tasks are in progress, what's upcoming, and any potential delays, allowing for better planning and communication. Conclusion. By using Gantt charts effectively, you'll find it much easier to manage timelines, resources, and tasks throughout the life of your project. They give you a clear overview of your project status, help prevent delays, and improve overall coordination with your team. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your colleagues or project management team. Also, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on how to improve your project management skills. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Now you know how to use Gantt charts to monitor and control your projects more efficiently. Be sure to apply these steps to your next project, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.